Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside angle measurer and spirit level. Two vials, 90 degrees and 180 degrees, includes pencil and two scribes for use as a compass for measuring and transferring angles from 0 to 270 degrees. Let's take this out. We've got the spirit level for 90 and 180 degrees. For precise horizontal and vertical measurements. We've got this adjusting plastic for measuring and have some reference point. Here is the pencil. You need to shape it around. And there's the scribes to use it as a compass. You can open it from here. We've got magnet as we are closing it. It will close better. Nice construction, aluminium construction. There are two plastics here and here. Take this out and insert this to have it as a compass. And here we've got this screw, unlock and lock. When you need to find the right angle, we can arrange it, of course, from here, 10 to 90, and again 10 to 90, and from here. And let's say you are in 20, screw it very well. It's not going to move anywhere. It is very tight, and you will have more accurate measurement. If you want, you can take these plastics out, close it again. You can measure the level of your table. It seems mine it is a little bit off. Okay. The level of the wall. Okay, that is correct. Nice. And here we've got a measurer from 1 centimeter to 50 centimeters from both sides. Now let's sharpen the edges at the pencil. Nice. Well, it needs to be cutted. Okay, and now I am going to insert that inside. I cut it on half, this pencil, and I think we are okay. Now let's try to see how it works. Adjusting from here on 20. Tied it very well. And draw a perfect circle. You can adjust again. Let's say on 15, and you can draw again inside the perfect circle. Or if you want, you can draw a line. Let's turn this on. Let's say you need a 60 degrees. Take out the pencil, and using the spirit level, find the right level and just count from 1 centimeter to 50 where you want. Let's say 25, same and goes from here. And you've got a 60 degrees perfect. And of course you can use that to draw on a wood, plastic, whatever you want to cut, on a hardboard, on a wall. If you want to install a tiles at the wall to find out the 90 degrees. There are varieties of jobs that you can use this angle measurer and spirit level. And of course if you want, you can use it with this pointed Well guys, that was all about this tool accessory from Parkside. If you need something like that to buy it, it costs about 8 to 9 euros, and I think it's doing a great job, and definitely you will find the right work to use it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, hit the notification bell, and like it's like my video is your choice. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.